In this video, in the search box on the taskbar, enter Control Panel, then click on Control Panel. Then click on Hardware and Sound. Then select your printer from List menu. Right-click on Printer, and go to Printing Preferences from the menu option. Then click on Maintenance, and click on Head Cleaning. Please wait for clean the print head nozzles. Then click on Start. Now head cleaning progress is started, please wait. If you click on the Finish or click on Print Nozzle Check Printers will be the next step. Then click on Print and Finish. Then click on Print Head Alignment. Then click on Next. Then click on Print. Select the corresponding number from the list below. Then click on Finish. Please give a like and comment down below if it worked. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.